Yeah, I wanna do this song. Letter to my sons. Letter to my sons. Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Isaiah, you were born 2018, February 5th. That means you're an Aquarius. Yeah. I'm poppin'. You know we vibe, ain't no option. You know I got you some forever. Yeah. Dear mine, you were born 2019, October 8th. You're a Libra. I can see it in your eyes, you wanna be just like me. Y'all boss and a player. You know I with it too. And you know you with me too. And I like it. I love seeing y'all grow up and you do it. I'm poppin', and we do it forever, you locked in. Y'all my sons, and I thank God for having y'all, yeah. You know I break it all. Tell me what you want, tell me what you wanna be when you grow up. And I do everything to get you there. One thing I wanna tell y'all, don't be nobody else. Just be yourself. Yeah. This a letter to my sons. This a letter to my sons. Yeah. This a letter to my sons. This a letter to my sons. Yeah. Because I need y'all now. I need y'all forever. I got y'all. You don't need nobody else. I said what I said, and I don't care what the best about is. We gon' do something about it. Yeah. This a letter to my son. This a letter to my sons, and I got y'all. Yeah. I got y'all forever. With everything you need. Just hit me up, I got y'all. With everything you need. We'll succeed. You will succeed. And I can't wait till y'all graduate. I walk across that stage. I'ma be a proud father. This a letter to my sons. This a letter to my sons, I got y'all.